Hi everybody, we are back for another unboxing, and this unboxing today has something to do with these, and actually the husband has his here. The bookstore is finally open again, and so he went to the bookstore with hand sanitizer and a mask, so he's gonna decontaminate when he gets home. But I have something here from Documented Journey, and it says Documented Journey there, but another way you can tell is it has one of Bree's really wonderful stickers back here, which they're a vinyl sticker, so it should come off easier than most. Hey, I'm gonna set that aside so we can keep that. But let's open, all I did was cut open the pouch. I think that's everything. Yes. So the first item I got from Bree was this passport. Oops, let me put this insert back in, which I turned into a traveler's notebook. And right now I have it holding some passport inserts that I made, where this is Midori MD paper that I've cut down, and I'm using it to test a lot of my different supplies. And I kind of like the compactness of it. So I want to put all of my supplies in there, all the markers, all the pens, all the paints, all that fun stuff. And mainly on the Midori paper, because that's what I tend to use the most. Like here's some Midori MD grid, and here's some lines that I printed on. So, and then I've been using this for the last couple of weeks since I got it as my YouTube planner. I've got a journal in here where I collage and do stuff, and then I have a weekly journal which I do some stuff in, which I didn't do any stuff in it last week. So these are the inspiration for this, and you can see it's a small size, and she included one of her cute cards. Oh, I feel something's in there. Let me see. There's her little card, and I love the washi she uses. Oh, she added some elastic. See, she says, I couldn't resist putting the olive elastic on. Thank you for all of your support. Enjoy. Love, Bree. So, so I'd asked for a brown and black elastic. And she, oh, okay. I know why she did this. Bree and I both have a love for the color green. I mean, I've got a lot of blue, but green is one of the predominant colors in my tattoo that I've had for years. And I'll put that in the journal too. And I ordered something that was in the sale. And then she emailed me and said, hey, what about this color combination? And we ran with it because it looked so pretty. It is the wood front pocket. Look how pretty that is. With the, I think the green is called avocado. And then her elastic is so soft. She calls it olive. And on the inside, look at that, it's the greens. That is so great. So this is, as you can see, field note size. And I bought years ago, I bought this insert from Bree. It was probably about a little over a year ago. I was using a Foxy Fix. No, not a Foxy Fix. Was it a Foxy? No, it was a Chic Sparrow. I was using a Chic Sparrow Pemberley, and it was kind of the green I wanted, but not. It didn't have like. That's like a sap green, like I love like the Daniel Smith sap green. I like the I love the St. Petersburg White Knights sap green, and that's like one of my favorite colors. And so I was using that notebook, and I was using it as just like a little art journal because, you know, I'm new to the arting world. I mean, yes, I've drawn and done stuff like that, but I mean, I'm not anywhere near as talented as Bree or James or Allie or Courtney, you know, or Burgess. Like, they're artists. I just play for fun. Or Mindy Lacefield. She's amazing. She reminds me so much of that, like, Mary Blair inspired stuff that I love. Like, they're artists. I just have fun. And so I wanted to get one of her inserts where it's a mix of like a mixed media, smooth mixed media paper. And then there are some pages, I know there's some in here, of Tomoe River. Like, here's some Tomoe River paper. And the only thing I have in here is when I was meeting up with one of my friends, Danny, in Oklahoma City. She had gotten a bunch of new different inks for her fountain pens. And I just wanted to see what they looked like. Oh, I'm sorry I bumped you. I just wanted to see what they looked like on a really nice paper. You know, the different inks. And so that's the only thing I have in this insert. And I'm like, wait, I wanna try using the field note size that Bree has been using for such a long time. Let me see if I can fit this in. It's one of her inserts, so it should fit in. Oop. I always have a hard time with folios. Even when I was putting stuff in my Foxy Fix folio, I think it's because of the cardboard. There we go. Ooh, look at that. And then I have way too many field notes. Like, I still have like 5 or 6 of these. This one, all it has is 2 pages with, oh, I guess maybe a little bit more, like 4 pages, 5 pages, with just some general silly stuff on them. Yeah, those are Target dollar spot. They don't stick to nothing. I have so many of these. 3 Rivers. And then I have the new sets, the national parks. And then I also have the ones that say like Oklahoma. And I thought that these would be perfect for in here. And actually what might, because I like the cover, the front cover. What might be nice, I think it's because of the cardboard. Yeah. That one. Let's use this one because that looks really pretty with that. There we go. And if I want to, I might do what I did with this one and put an elastic in it so that way it can house. I mean, you can see it can hold quite a bit. And it's interesting. The green, it feels a little thicker, a little sturdier than the brown feels that way too. But this one just feels so soft and flexible. But there we are. I just wanted to show you a quick little unboxing of my field note size folio from, oh, it's so pretty. From Bree at Documented Journey. And I will link Bree down below. This thing is just so beautiful, and I hope the color, yeah, the color looks like it's coming across really nicely. So there's my little trio of my earth-friendly, animal-friendly, vegan traveler's notebooks. The husband was vegetarian, now's going vegan, and he's gotten rid of some of his traveler's notebooks, and I've I've acquired all of his original Midori traveler's notebooks. Like he had a brown Midori Passport, a brown Midori Standard, an olive Standard, a Pan Am. He had a Pan Am Standard. There might have been one more that I've put back in my collection, so I've got doubles of those, or triples of the brown. And I wanted to, I got this, and then he liked it, so he got his, and I got this, and yeah, so I'm kind of liking the Earth Sustainable Traveler's Notebook, because even the, so this comes from the cork of a tree, and then the felt inside comes from plastic bottles that have been recycled into that material, which I think is quite interesting and quite unique. So there you are. Brie, I love the olive. It's beautiful. And I think you were right about that, but it's nice to have an option. Okay, I will link Brie down below, and if you have any questions, please leave them, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.